Today we are going to be working on lesson 4.11. We are going to be adding three two-digit numbers using the open number line strategy. When adding three two-digit numbers, I like to start from the top and work my way down. So we are going to start with our first number, which is 11. We are going to place the 11 at the beginning of the open number line. Now we will move down to the number 22. We will be hopping the value of each place in the number 22. First, we will start with the number in the tens place. The number in the tens place is a 2. That 2 is worth 2 tens or 20. So our first hop will be 2 tens. Plus 10, plus 10. Now we will count up from 11. 11 plus 10 is 22, plus 10 more is 32. Now we will count the number in the ones place. The number in the ones place is a 2, so we will make the hop of 2 ones. Plus 1, plus 1. Now we will count up from 32 and add those 2 ones. 32 plus 1 is 33, plus 1 more is 34. Now we will hop the values in our third number. Our third number is 32. We are going to start with the tens place. The number in the tens place is a 3. That 3 is worth 3 tens or 30. So we are going to hop 3 tens. And we will start at the 34. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. We will count up from 32, adding those 34, adding those tens. 34, 44, 54, 64. Now we will add the numbers in the ones place. There are 2 ones in the ones place. Plus 1, plus 1. And we will go from 64 and add those 2 ones. 64, 65, 66. And that is the sum of our